Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys don't follow me on Twitter and you don't know, my actual filming camera has broke. So until I get a new one or a replacement or whatever, I'm going to be filming on my iPhone. And my boyfriend has reassured me that the iPhone camera is like one of the greatest phone cameras ever. So thanks to him. So today's video is really exciting. I've kind of wanted to do this for a while. But I actually did try filming this on my old camera, but then it broke, so this is take two. So today's video is all about vision boards. Also, I'm really sorry if nothing fits in frame because I literally can't see anything, so this is going to be trial and error. Yeah, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make a vision board. So this one's kind of mine right now. I will do other shots of it up close, but I just don't know if it's in frame right now. But it's only in a little white cork board. I don't know how big it is, but on one side it has all the photos of like dreams and goals I want to achieve, and then the other side is short-term goals and long-term goals for my acting. I forgot how I came up with this idea. I think my friend Jay, I've done a video about her I think 3 years ago. She's a inspirational life coach, and all the emails she sends from time to time, she's so inspirational, and she sent one I think it was end of last year about making vision boards. And I was like, oh, I've got to save this because I remember when we were doing the what's it called, like course with her, she did mention about doing vision boards, but I kind of blew it off. So I was like, I know she does beautiful ones, so I'm going to keep this one here and see what tips that she has. If I can find the email, I'll pull it up and read out the tips that she has. But yeah, that email definitely inspired me to actually get off my butt and make a vision board. So if you guys are wanting to make one and just need that little inspiration here and there, this video is for you, and I'm very excited to make it. So I'm going to change the angle up now, probably hold my phone, do some handheld things. I know this video is trial and error today, so yeah, bear with me guys. The back, and I'm so sorry that I look like a mess and the angle's off, but like I said, trial and error. So here's just a close-up of mine. So here's the short-term goals for acting and long-time goals. So do more extra work, which I've done, get on sets more, hasn't happened but I still got it yet. And then Bud hopes is a big casting director here in Queensland, so do one of his workshops. And the long-term goal is become a world-known or Australian-known actress. I know, reaching out big, but that's my goal. And over here is just some inspirational videos, photos, and just things that I love. So this one really spoke to me, time for a change, because when I was making this I was like, you know, time for a change, everything I'm doing with my life, I want to change it. Add some sparkles because I love sparkles. Your name here, look, if it doesn't happen that's fine, but lights, camera, action. Acting is believing in yourself and in your craft, become a believer. Some more sparkles. Teaching, because that's going to be like my backup career. Dream job, next exit. Yes, there's a wedding ring in there for when my boyfriend actually proposed to me. A photo of Dove Cameron, who is my like queen, my real inspiration. Some Hello Kitty balloons, and then this one fell down by this thing. And then little elf Fowler. She was one of the first YouTubers I watched, so she is on there. And then this is just a little letter that I got from Mum at Dancing, which has made me feel really loved, and that's just a little side joke. But yeah, so this is kind of like an overview of my dream, of my vision board, and you know what I want to happen in my life. So yeah. So obviously to start off with is you need to find some photos that speak out to you. So most of these are actually from online, but you guys can go into magazines and find some. So Dolly doesn't exist anymore, but I still have heaps of magazines, so just look in there, and if you see anything you like, cut it out. Girlfriend, this one I kept, I think this is the YouTube edition, and then I realised on the back it has Liv and Maddie, and I didn't start watching this until like 2 years ago, so that's just a funny coincidence that she was always in my life. So yeah, this is the Bethany Motor one, so still love her. Oh look, Jenna Marble. Oh, look at all these big YouTubers that I could put on there. But yeah, so just looking through, finding anything you like I love these sparkles, so I could put those on, or I don't know if you saw like a celebrity crush or like a word. Like I'm really into astrology, so I could put that in there. Just stuff like that that really speaks to you. If you don't have anything yet, I would honestly recommend quotes. If you're someone who's very easily influenced in that way, like I am, quotes are really good because you just look at it and you're like, yes, like this is going to happen. And it just really gets you going. Like my favorite quote is from Shay Carl. I don't have it on here, but it's up near my photos, but it says, happiness is a choice. And I don't know why, but that really does speak to me. So that's that side of your vision board. If you want to do two sides, or you can just do all photos. It's really up to you guys how you feel. And then on this side, I have changed this so many times, but this one has stayed the longest. You can write quotes here, or to-do lists, or goals, just something that you're going to look at and you know that you can achieve easily. So I mean, with my long-term goal, it is really hard to achieve, but it is a long-term goal. So I've got literally my whole life. Even if I become like 90 and become famous, then I do not care. Short-term goals are ones that I can easily do. So this I can easily do. This I do get on sets for doing extra work, but if it's like professional work, then that's kind of my agent side. And this I can easily do as well. So that's what you really want to add into your vision board, sorry. And honestly, look at it every day. If there's a quote that you love, say it to yourself every day. Start believing this stuff will come true, because if you do, it actually does come true, because you're putting out the message to the universe saying, hey, this is what I want. I'm prepared to change my life dramatically for it to happen. And I have done that for teaching. And I will for acting, honestly, if there's something that comes up, like to say get like a role in a TV show, I will drop everything and go to that. I have dropped a lot of work to start my teaching degree, because that is my backup goal. So yeah, I can easily drop everything for acting, because that's what I want to do. But yeah, it's really simple. I'm going to find the email now from Jay, and I'm just going to add that in now. Okay, so maybe I was dreaming about the email that she sent me, I'm not too sure, but I did find this one and I thought it was pretty good to show you guys. So these are the inspirational emails that I do get from her. So this is, I guess, just like her day. What'd she say here? Ideal day worksheet. So this is hers, what it looks like. So 6 AM, wake up, meditate, shower, spend time with boyfriend, write, lunch, come home. And it's just stuff like that which really gets you. So it's getting clear on what we want, sends a powerful, energetic instruction to the universe about what we're ready to receive. And then she gives you something to download as well. And it's just emails like this that really speak to me. I'm just really bummed that I couldn't find the other one. Okay, my boyfriend's gonna kill me because I'm using selfie mode now. But yeah guys, that was just kind of a little short, hopefully inspirational video for you guys to go out and make yourself a vision board. It is really easy, it doesn't even cost that much either, and honestly it is like the most inspirational thing in my life. So yeah. If you guys have any other questions, please let me know. Please check out Jay. I will try to remember to link her stuff below to check her out. And yeah, I hope more videos will come out soon. Maybe on this camera, maybe on another one, I don't know. But yeah, hope you guys have a beautiful, wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tell your friends about me. Okay, see you guys later.